I'm walking up to the property, and chances are you want to get there a little bit early, right? Now, who knows? Your customer may be looking right out the window to see when you're going to show up, but what you want to look at are some very important things. So as I'm looking at the home right now, I see that there's a tree that we could wrap the trunk and canopy wrap it. Now, it's not really that mature yet, but we can do some lighting there. I also see right away, and then now that we're done with this, we're now going to present this estimate to the customer. Let's go sell a job. All right, you sold your first Christmas lighting job. Congratulations. And now we're at the project, and we're going to go over some of the stuff that you need, and we're going to actually start screwing in some bulbs and doing an insulation here. Now, we try to get below this bottom row of shingles, but sometimes it's too hard because you may have a nail, and what you may have to do. Hi, and welcome to Christmas Lights for Profit. My name is Jeff Jurina, and I'll be your coach as we walk through a simple step-by-step process to start and run a successful Christmas lighting business. This course will give you the proven roadmap to turn Christmas lights into real income for you or your family. In short, I'm going to pass on my 21 plus years of owning and operating a leading Christmas lighting company to help you start, sell, and scale your Christmas lighting services for profit. You're going to learn how to prepare for each installation, how to design and install a great Christmas lighting project every time, what types of Christmas lights you need, the essential tools that you need for each phase of a project. And you'll also learn how to remove your Christmas lighting displays quickly and easily at the end of each season. Are you ready to get started? All right, just click the button below to kickstart your Christmas lighting business for profit today. I'll see you in the course.